Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue or why it rains? Unravel the mysteries behind these questions as we explore the fascinating yet complex field of meteorology. Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Fast Facts. Weather is not just about daily temperature checks or umbrella requirements. It's a symphony of elements, each contributing to Earth's climate. Their harmonious interplay paints the grand canvas of our planet's weather patterns. The winds that sculpt our landscapes, the rain nurturing our biodiversity, every facet of weather holds a story. Meteorology is a captivating discipline packed with wonders that perplex even veteran researchers. It's not merely a topic for small talk, but a riveting subject impacting all aspects of our existence. We all are affected by the whims of weather, be it the biting cold of winter or the scorching heat of summer. Every weather phenomenon, from thunderstorms to sunshine, plays a significant role in shaping our world and influencing our lives. Meteorology is teeming with enigmas waiting to be unraveled. Now get ready to have your mind boggled by the intriguing complexities of science. Let's delve into the fascinating world of meteorology. Fact number 1. Why is the sky blue? It's all about the complex interplay of sunlight and our atmosphere. Now let's dive deep into science. The phenomenon primarily responsible for scattering sunlight is termed as Rayleigh scattering. Don't be intimidated by the terminology. It's not as complicated as it sounds. Envision sunlight as a conglomeration of various hues, akin to a vibrant rainbow. Each distinct color exhibits a unique wavelength. Some are extensive, while others are concise. Blue and violet rays are characterized by the shortest wavelengths, which makes them the swift runners in the realm of light. These nimble wavelengths, upon encountering atmospheric molecules, deflected in numerous directions, resulting in a scattering effect. The intriguing part is, despite both blue and violet light being scattered, why is it that we don't perceive a violet sky? Well, the explanation rests in the sensitivity of our eyes and the sun's emission spectrum. The human eye is more attuned to blue light while the sun emits less violet light. Consequently, our perception is skewed towards blue rather than violet. So next time you look up, you'll know why the sky is painted in shades of blue. Fact number 2. Ever wondered why it rains? This is an intriguing question that has fascinated humans for centuries. The process of rainfall isn't as simplistic as one might initially think. It involves an elaborate ballet of natural phenomena. Consider this scenario. Our mighty sun radiates its warm energy, causing water from vast oceans, shimmering lakes, and roaring rivers to transform into a gaseous state and evaporate into the atmosphere, resulting in the creation of water vapor. As this vapor ascends towards the heavens, it undergoes a change due to the decreasing temperature. It cools and begins to condense. This condensation forms minuscule droplets of water. These droplets, in turn, attach themselves to even tinier particles, such as dust or sea salt that are present in the air. This congregation of water and microscopic particles forms the fluffy white masses that we recognize as clouds. Now this is where it's truly fascinating. If it weren't for these tiny particles, these minute specks of dust and salt, there would be no rain. Yes, these inconspicuous particles provide the necessary surface for the water vapor to condense around. When these gathered droplets become too heavy to remain suspended in the air, they cascade down to the earth as raindrops. This intricate process, though largely invisible to us, is constantly occurring in our atmosphere. So every time it rains, remember, it's a complex process that starts with a tiny particle. Fact number 3. What causes wind? It's all about pressure. You might have been under the impression that wind is simply aimless gusts of air, but there's a fascinating science behind wind is fundamentally created by variations in atmospheric pressure. Imagine our atmosphere as an immense ocean of air that is always in motion. When there's an of high pressure, the air becomes denser, weightier, and has a tendency to descend. On the other hand, in an area of low pressure, the air becomes lighter and ascends. Nature prefers equilibrium, and thus the denser air from the high-pressure zone hurtles towards the low-pressure zone to create a balance. This displacement of air is what we perceive and sense as wind. Yet there's more to it. The rotation of our planet also a significant role in determining the course of the wind. As a result of a phenomenon termed the Coriolis effect, the winds in the northern hemisphere deviate to the right, whereas in the southern hemisphere they diverge to the left. This complexity makes wind far more than a simple breeze. So wind isn't just a breeze, it's a powerful force driven by the pressure differences in our atmosphere. Wow! Who knew weather could be so intriguing? Our journey through meteorology has been captivating, revealing the science behind the sky's color, rain's origin, and wind's creation. We've learned that the sky's enchanting blue is due to Rayleigh scattering, a light scattering process. Rain, on the other hand, is not as straightforward as water falling from the sky. It involves a series of complex processes like evaporation, condensation, leading to precipitation. The wind, a phenomenon that rustles leaves and provides a cooling effect, is derived from variations in atmospheric. Isn't it amazing? The everyday weather wonders, often overlooked, are products of intricate phenomena. So, when you're outside next, pause to value the marvels of weather. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting facts. Until we meet again, continue to wonder and explore.